Draw a small circle in the center of your page, and then draw another 3 circles as shown. Place your compass point in the center, expand your lead to the center of the 3rd circle, and draw another larger circle as shown. Expand your compass to the center of the 4th circle, and then keep that measurement as you place your compass point on the left point of the larger circle, drawing another even larger circle. Then place your point on the right point of the second to largest circle and draw another circle. Repeat from the top and bottom point of the medium circle. Hopefully your circles stay within the page. I was very lucky with mine. Mine only just fit. Next, grab your ruler and measure from one point to another point as shown, and then draw 2 marks on the medium circle. Repeat from these 2 points. Then grab your compass and place your point on the intersecting point that you just drew, drawing 4 more circles. Measure 8 more intersecting points as shown.
It's the wrong time to surrender. Light me up and skip. You are the wrong line of my scarce life. What do you found in me? If I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? If I bleed out, will you carry me into the lights, lights? Let me believe. Let me believe. Hear the strong beat of my weak heart. Is this a lie to see? You gave me last night full of bright lights, and take away my fear falling asleep. When I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? When I bleed out, will you carry me into the lights, lights? Let me believe. Let me You lost your way, and it's safe to say that nothing could keep you here with me, and it's what you do. Overcomplicate every conversation ends with you. You never show me love, so I think of giving up. And I'm probably better off, but I can't stop, I can't stop. 'Cause I want you, you make me numb. But I love the way you fuck me up inside, fuck me up inside. 'Cause I want you, you make me numb. But I love the way you fuck me up inside, fuck me up just right. I take the blame. doesn't taste right no more when you say my name. You'd rather drink the night away than spend it with me. What about me? You never show me love, so I think of giving up. And I'm probably better off, but I can't stop, cause I want you. You make me numb, but I love the way you fuck me up inside. Fuck me up inside, cause I want you. You make me numb, I love the way you fuck me up inside. You fuck me up just right, cause I want you. You leave me numb. Fuck me up just right.
Despite the commitment you think you've secured, and despite the attention you feed her, nothing she promises is guaranteed, and she may not be there when you need her. So don't put the weight of your world on a woman. Just love her the best that you can. Show her your power, that you'd be just fine without her, and you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can control, and she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan. Don't put the weight of your world on a woman. Just love her the best that you can. Show her your power, that you'll be just fine without her, and you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can control, and she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan. If you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan.